India's drug regulator has now approved Itolizumab, a drug that has been used to cure the skin ailment psoriasis, and it's been cleared for restricted emergency use to treat COVID-19 patients with moderate to severe acute respiratory distress. The Drugs Controller General of India has approved this drug, which is a monoclonal antibody injection. It's already an approved drug manufactured by Biocon, but its use has now been approved for the treatment of cytokine release syndrome in moderate to severe COVID cases. However, the written informed consent of each patient will be required before this drug can be used. All right, so the big story that we're bringing you right now is on the approval of the Biocon drug Itolizumab. It's a drug used to cure skin ailment, psoriasis, but it's now been approved for restricted emergency use to treat COVID-19 patients as well. Biocon's Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw is on the phone line with us. Thank you very much, ma'am, for speaking with NDTV. What more can you tell us about now the approval of this drug for use in severe COVID cases?
Well, this actually is a very good bit of news, Ankita, because this joins the other drugs like Remdesivir and other, emergency use drugs that are being being used in patients with COVID. Now, Itolizumab or Alzumab, which is the brand name of our drug, is a very unique biologic because it actually very effectively addresses cytokine release syndrome as well as inflammatory markers. And this was a drug approved for psoriasis since 2013. And when we looked at what was happening to the COVID patients in terms of the hyperimmune activity, we realized that actually Itolizumab could be an ideal candidate to treat this particular complication. And we then decided to do a trial, and I'm really, really pleased to see that it worked. And all the patients on the trial arm actually responded well and recovered. So on the control arm, which did not receive the drug, we had several deaths. So I think this was a significant pivotal trial, and I'm really confident that we will save many lives and we will reduce the mortality rate.
Ma'am, if you could tell us in a little more detail what this drug actually does, for the skin infection, psoriasis, and how this is being used in severe COVID cases. This is presumably when the body's immune function kicks in and creates a cytokine storm when it responds to the coronavirus infection. How does this drug work exactly? If you could just try and explain that to us in simple terms.
Yeah. So just to give you a very simplistic analogy, as you know, psoriasis is also a disease caused by the hyperimmune activity of our bodies. And that is why you see this very, very nasty rashes on your body that is caused due to hyperimmune activity. Okay? And what the drug does is it calms the immune system, to put it very mildly. What happens is that when your immune system becomes very active, you get cytokines released in a very, very big way. And this causes a lot of these kind of issues. And in COVID, basically the cytokine storm is causing death. And in order to calm it down, there are two ways of doing it. Either you mop up the cytokines, which is what products like Itolizumab do, or you start down-regulating the cytokines, which is the immune modulation that Itolizumab does. So Itolizumab starts down-regulating the immune system, saying don't produce so many cytokines. And so this is a very, very effective drug in modulating the immune system and then saving the body from inflammation and cytokines. and we are seeing very good recovery of these taken the drug.
Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, thank you very much indeed for speaking with NDTV and explaining in such simple terms for us how this drug could really take things forward and perhaps help in particularly severe or acute COVID cases. Another drug from Biocon that's really now at the forefront in India's battle against coronavirus. Thanks very much indeed for speaking with us.